YouTube, what it do? Lil Petty coming back with the Friday stock market episode. Alright, y'all. As y'all can see right now, the stock market is jumping. We're going to jump right into the charts. We're going to talk about the trade that we hit today. We're going to give you an update on my swing trade on Bynd stock. Let's dive right into it. As you guys can clearly still see. Hold on. That was to take the profits, Bill. But we don't, you know what I'm saying? We take profits earlier. But yeah, so as you guys can clearly see, BYND, we're still holding down this downtrend. And we have not showed any signs of anything bullish. Everything is pulling back. We're going to dive right into the trade that we took today. And as you guys can clearly see right here, we had this up, and this I don't even know what to call it, but basically these high wicks. So what I seen was, when I seen this high wick right here, I got in short right here. I bought a 150 put. So basically, you know what I'm saying, we rode this out. It played out. This was the top, and then, you know what I'm saying, the stock ended up cracking. So when it cracked, you know what I'm saying, we ended up locking in profits around here. I thought it was going to come down a little bit lower, but as you can see, we kind of just tapped the bottom. And you know, so that's kind of what BYND is doing right now. So let's go ahead and look at the trade. So right here, BYND, we bought the 150 put today at 120, and we sold it at 324. So that was 100% gain. You know what I'm saying? We had to just take the profits and run, and we just left it like that. So let me let me show you guys what happened today in Apple, because this Apple faked me out. It got me good. So we're gonna zoom in like right here, because this is what the chart looked like before it took that massive dump. So Apple was going up, you know what I'm saying. We kind of bought on this dip right here. We bought a put right here, and then, you know what I'm saying, it ended up bouncing. So we bought a call. And then boom, we locked out. We sold the put up here again, and then the thing sold off. No, we sold the call. I forgot what it was. Let me go see. So we bought an Apple 112 call, and then we sold it for 12. Then we bought it again and sold it for a loss. So we lost $50 on it. So we bought two calls. I think at the top, and then it pulled back, and I was like, okay. But like right here, it doesn't really show it good because the stock dropped off. So right here, this is how it looks right here. So the stock, boom, we bought a call, sold off, like, all right, boom, we just got out. And it rose up again. We bought a call, then it failed. Then it rose up, and I was like, bro, like, you know what I'm saying? It was just one of those wobbly days. And then when it finally made its decision, it sold off, and these contracts went crazy. Look, these were 4 cents, 20. So these were $1. These two tens were 23 cents. Now they're trading at $7. These ones were 7. They're trading at, you know. So this was actually the trade right here. Boom, was the put on Apple. That one went crazy. BYND was actually still a good trade, but it wasn't as good as Apple. But we did get this sell-off, and that's what I was waiting for. I was waiting for it to make a move, and I almost got faked out right here. But if you go to the 5-minute chart, you can clearly see another wick. So these wicks right here, I've been noticing these are good indicators. So if you got a nice wick on either 5, let's even go to the 15-minute chart. Wick. You got the doji and you got the wicks. These wicks mean a lot, dude. Like, that means they're selling up here. So when they're selling up here at a top wick as it's coming into resistance, you can expect a reversal, even right here. People probably got it on these wicks. They got, you know what I'm saying? But here comes the bottom wick right here, and now it's reversing. And you can see we're putting in another doji right here because the stock is bearish. So that's just, you know, that's just how it goes. If you guys aren't studying these charts, you're not going to figure it out. Boom, wick, sells off. doji or hammer candle right there. Boom, bottom. I literally got in. Let's look at the time. 6:49 and sold at 8:37. So 6:39. So I got in on this candle right here. What is that? 6:39 or 49? 6:49. Yeah, so I got in at 6:50. So I got in after that wick. After that wick and we started pulling back, I'm like, yep, we're in. And the stop is up at the top of the wick. And like I said, when we got up here, that was getting close to getting stopped out, but I remembered because we busted these wicks. I'm like, I remember this is the top right here. So if it busts up here and sets and holds, then that's your stop to get out. But we played a daily contract, so you know it's risky. But the risk paid off today. And as you can clearly see, let's just go to another stock like Apple. Apple didn't have that wickish, but it was a fail. And I think the stock market just crashed. I wasn't following the news. I knew something about the news was gonna make a move, so I was just waiting for it. I was just, okay, what are we gonna do? And we are basically, let's go to the daily chart because I think we dropped off pretty hard today. Yeah, see, we're selling off. And as you guys clearly, what I tell you guys, when we come up in a bearish market, you get the cross, you wait for it to get up to one of these moving averages, and that's where you want to short. So up here, this 293 was a great short to get in today. And you're getting the follow through that everybody wants to see to make those profits. So BYND stock still has a long way to go. Let me show you guys this in Tilray too real quick. Because this TLRY. Now let's look at what Tilray looks like. This is how BYND looked. It comes up and now it's cracked, and then this is the daily chart. And Tilray has literally been selling off since this spot right here. Let's see if we can pull out the line right here. So when it crossed, boom, let's zoom out. It's never got back up to where it has crossed. And that is a clear bearish sign. So say BYND starts just, selling off. Don't be surprised. Let's go to, I'm still holding that 120 put. It's only up a little bit because like I said, it's a volatile stock. But I'm holding, I have 28 days for this stock to come down to 120. BYND. And I'm thinking it's going to come fill this gap down here. 20 days, that's some time. So that's the episode for the day. YouTube, you know what I'm saying? Lil Petty is out.